Futures and forex trading contains substantial risk and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. Please take a moment to review the full disclaimer. Hello traders, Kevin from chartspots.com. The title for this week was looking for buyers, because really that's all we've been doing in the DAX the past week, as is evidenced by this weekly bar over here, full on selling this week. The first clue already came on Monday. I had mentioned this in my prior video as well, as I made it on Monday. If you look to the daily bar, we had this resting day over here because the US market was closed and there was little volume, so we already that day we broke the prior week's low, which stopped the time framing up we were doing. So that was the first kind of clue. And then this is the 30-minute chart. So if you look, here is Monday. We have a very balanced tiny range, so we expect to break out of that the next day. We do test up and clear this open point of control that we left on Friday the week before, and then relentless selling started, and it didn't stop for the rest of the week. The first thing I did note, I believe, was on Wednesday. I saw some first signs of weaker hands selling, or shorter time frame players who are going short here at the prior day's low. So that's why I made the tweet at the end of the day that I was expecting some balance the next day, not knowing that we were going to open in a gap, of course, but still the trade went back into the prior day's range and started rotating, but then the US market opened and they had some selling pressure, and then the DAX, of course, couldn't resist to follow, making the POC all the way down again. Neutral extreme day, so you expect some continuation, which indeed we got. However, it didn't get the range that we had the prior days. So we might be seeing some stabilization here. There is some excess on the low here, so that's good. However, what I want to see, of course, is first some balance and then a break of that balance to the upside before looking more into the bullish side of trading. And as you can see here, we're approaching this low of the year, which is maybe already quite a bit of a questionable low, as these lows are quite close to each other. Similarly here, by the way. So yeah, if we break this low of this week, I do expect that it's not that far away anymore. We're like 200 points from where we closed the week. So yeah, that can basically happen in one day if there is a risk-off day. So look out for that, and then obviously if we revisit this, I do expect to test this next area and this high volume node. looking at the bit broader picture, this is basically where the Trump rally started in Europe as well. But you see there is little retracement that happened all the way till up here. Here you have some balancing going on, but this area here is pretty thin, which is also evidenced here in the profile. Same here, by the way. So this is like a point of last resort, I would say. If we move through that in the coming weeks, then I can easily see us looking for a test of this area. Now that's quite a way away, and then here is the big value in the DAX from the profile. But that's a far away stuff for now. So that's the basic gist of it for this week. So what I'm looking for is most likely some further downward tests, and on the other hand I would also not be surprised to take or to retest some of this area where the selling was a little bit weaker. So wouldn't be surprised to first test up a bit into the range of the week and then come down, or the other way around. You never know. You have to be very flexible in your mindset even throughout the day. I do believe that's the key to success in this business. So with that said, have a good week and good luck.